Today we are in a laundry room, which is a great example of how to make the most out of a small space. The homeowners wanted to add functionality, but they also wanted something more modern and that was really gonna pop, and that's exactly what we gave them. We worked with Build.com to select everything for this laundry room, from the light fixture, to the faucet, to the hardware, the washer and dryer, and even this fun wallpaper. So the first thing that I did was I selected the stackable washer and dryer, which is a really great solution for a smaller space. And it freed up the area on the right to bring in the vanity, the sink, and the faucet. From there, I brought in the satin brass and the matte black finishes, which are such a beautiful on-trend combination, and they paired great with the print of the wallpaper. Working with Build.com made this project easy because I was able to get everything in one place.